G'day guys, are you in the market for the best first RC car? Well, look no further than the Traxxas Slash. We've been selling this vehicle since 2008 and has stood the test of time. We keep all the parts in stock. Rather than having thousands of different cars, we keep the one car which is proven and all the parts for everything. So it is truly one of the best cars around. That's our shop demo car. It is now 16 years old. It's been broken and fixed many times, but all the parts are here. This customer here that you're going to see in the picture, he's had these cars since 2008. He bought them for his son. Now his son's giving him to his son. So it's truly a car that lasts the test of time. So the cars come in stock form, fully modified form. They take a ton of abuse. Kids treat them rough, and we need a car that will last. So if you're keen on one, drop on down. We specialise in the car. We keep every single part. We build them, we make them. All the parts are here. Come and check out the range. If you want to see a little bit more on the vehicle, check out our website, Best First RC Car, RC Hobbies Gold Coast. Now, if off-road cars aren't your thing and RC drifting is, we have a full-scale 1/10 two-wheel drive drift track. So we keep all the cars, all the supplies to build your own custom two-wheel drive drift car, body shells, wheels, batteries, motors, electronics, everything you need to get into RC two-wheel drive drifting. If you don't want to build your own car, we can build the cars for you. So everything's in stock here. Hire cars ready to go. We're open 7 days a week over the Christmas period. Check our Facebook for that, and it gives you all the opening details. Pop on down to RC Hobbies Gold Coast. We're at Unit 6, 20 to 24, Manufacturer Drive, Molendinar, and we'll see you down.